Hi babes, welcome back. I'm gonna get right into this fresh spring makeup look. I'm starting off with a super bare face and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer to start. So this is also gonna be kind of a first impressions video because I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of new products for the first time and letting you guys know what I think. This primer was great. I love it for mattifying my skin because I get super oily. And today I'm trying out the brand new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation. This foundation had a really interesting texture. I felt like it was kind of like a mousse. It blended into my skin beautifully, but I'm going to kind of see how it wears and I'll let you guys know what I think about it because I wasn't 100% sure on it. I need to test it out just a little bit more. But for concealer, I used the brand new Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer and I absolutely loved it. This is probably going to be one of my new favorite concealers. I love the texture. It's super creamy, but it gives tons of coverage and it's very long wear, so it's going to last for hours. I absolutely love this concealer. For powder, I use this new one from Ofra. So I have the banana powder in the pressed, but this is their loose translucent one. And I really loved it as well. And I just applied it everywhere to set everything to make sure nothing budged. Next up, it's time for brows and I'm trying out a new product. So this eyebrow pencil is from Popsugar Beauty. So you guys might know about Popsugar, the website. They do a ton of beauty content and they just came out with their own makeup line, which is kind of cool. So this brow pencil was great. It's not tons of coverage, but I loved how it had the brow gel on the other end. I thought that was really good. For eye primer, I'm using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. This worked great. I love the texture of it and it made my eyeshadow last 4 hours. I don't know if it lasted for 24 hours, but it lasted for a long time. And then for eyeshadows today, I'm using two of my new favorite palettes from BH Cosmetics. It's the Glam Refelection palettes. This one is in Gilded and it had all of these beautiful bronzy shades and I went for this kind of burnt orange color to give us that peach vibe. And this is just a super easy way of doing shadow. I applied it on my lid and just blended up towards my brows. And then I used that color again and a slightly lighter one from the palette and just sweep that along my lower lash line. Next, I took the Glam Reflection Smoke palette and used the dark brown burnt orange color for the outer corner of my crease and just blended it all in. This really is a super easy eye look, guys, that you guys can do in minutes. I wanted to give the eyes a little bit of shimmer and glitter, so I used these diamond pigments from BH Cosmetics in two different colors, Brilliant and Flashy, which was kind of like a pinky shade and a bronzy shade. And I first applied it just with my finger, just on my lid, and then I tried to do it with a little bit of setting spray on a brush, and they both work great. There was quite a bit of fallout from this pigment though, so you do have to be careful. Another option is to just use the shimmery colors from the Shadow palette, which works just as well. For liner, I discovered the Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner. How have I never used this before? It is the best gel eyeliner ever. It's so black, it's so matte, it's super creamy, it glides right on. I absolutely love it. This is definitely my favorite gel liner that I've used in forever. I finished off the eyes with a bit of mascara, top and bottom, and I threw on these lashes from Eyelure. It's the Nikki Philippi collab, and they just looked really pretty with this look. I tested out this new bronzer. Have you guys heard of Note Cosmetics? I don't know much about them, but I love this bronzer. It's their Terracotta powder bronzer. This is in the shade number 4. It's super bronzy, super pigmented, and I loved it. So if you guys know anything, let me know in the comments. Another favorite from this look are these brand new blushes from Bare Minerals. It's the Gen Nude powder blush. I used the first color, that peach though, all over my cheek as a base, and then I pumped up just in the center of my cheek with Bellini Brunch, and it looked so pretty with the rest of this makeup. Another new product, the Laura Geller Alannized Illuminator. This is a new highlighter and the color is Tempting Topaz. This is a collab that they did with a beauty influencer, and it was just very pretty and golden and shimmery. And then for the lips, I did this really fun peachy lip combo. I used a couple of different products, starting with this color from BH Cosmetics. It's their liquid lipstick in Serena, which was this gorgeous peach shade, but I wanted to kind of lighten it up a little bit, so I threw on a little bit of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 5, just mainly in the center of my lip to give it kind of more of a nude vibe. And I just patted that in with my finger. This was very matte, so you could definitely keep it matte like this, which I think looks super pretty. But I decided to add a little bit of gloss because I really wanted to try these brand new glosses from Urban Decay. They are the Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss, and they are gorgeous. The color that I used was Midnight Cowgirl, and it was so pretty for this lip look. Have fun trying out this look, babes. This look is super easy and it's perfect for spring. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in another video very soon.